Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify BitLocker is enabled on your Windows device, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify that BitLocker is enabled on your Windows device, begin by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the Control Panel window is open, locate the System and Security option and click on it. Inside the System and Security section, find and select BitLocker Drive Encryption. On the BitLocker Drive Encryption page, you will see the status of each drive. Look for the drive you want to check, typically the C drive. If BitLocker is enabled, you will see a message indicating that BitLocker is on. If you see an option to turn on BitLocker, it means that BitLocker is not currently enabled on that drive. You can also verify BitLocker status through the command prompt. To do this, press the Windows key and type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, this will display the BitLocker status for all drives on your device. Look for the conversion status and percentage encrypted fields for the specific drive. If the conversion status is fully encrypted, then BitLocker is enabled. If it shows not encrypted, then BitLocker is not active on that drive. Another way to check is through the Settings app. Press the Windows key and click on the gear icon to open Settings. Navigate to Update and Security and then select Device Encryption if available. If Device Encryption is on, it indicates that BitLocker is enabled. If you're using Windows Pro or Enterprise, you may need to check the group policy settings. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows+R, then type pedit.msc and hit Enter. In the local group policy editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, then to Administrative Templates, and finally to Windows Components. Locate BitLocker Drive Encryption and click to expand the section. Look for the settings that indicate whether BitLocker is enabled or disabled. By following these steps, you can easily determine if BitLocker is enabled on your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.